Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to McFarlane Lake, a peaceful lakeside community just south of Sudbury, Ontario. Known for its sparkling waters and quiet surroundings, it's a favorite spot for fishing, boating, and cottage life. The area's history is tied to early settlers and the development of Sudbury's outlying communities. McFarlane Lake takes its name from a pioneer family with the McFarlane surname, who were among the first to live and work here. Over the years, it has grown from a seasonal getaway into a place where many live year-round. The lake itself is a natural jewel surrounded by forests that burst with color in autumn. Whether you're here to relax, explore, or simply take in the view, McFarlane Lake offers a warm Northern Ontario welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of McFarlane Lake, Ontario.